Hello, 你好. Welcome back to Cantonese Chit Chat. Today we're going to learn Lunar New Year traditions and activities in Cantonese. Let's get started. Lunar New Year. 農曆新年. 農曆新年. Before New Year, usually on or before the 28th, families do a deep cleaning of their homes. It's a big cleaning. 大掃除. 大掃除. Before New Year, usually on the 30th, people visit flower markets to buy New Year flowers and plants for their homes. We say walk the flower market. 行花市. 行花市. 行 means walk. 花 means flower. 市 means market. 行花市. When you go to the flower market, peach blossoms are one of the most popular plants that people would buy in the flower market. Peach blossoms. 桃花. 桃花. On the second day of New Year, in Hong Kong, there's usually a fireworks display on the second day of Lunar New Year at Victoria Harbour. Fireworks. 煙花. 煙花. During Lunar New Year, people visit relatives and friends to celebrate together. This tradition is called 拜年. 拜年. When you visit someone, you usually say the New Year greetings and blessings. You can learn these greetings in this video. Traditionally, married adults give wrap packets with money to children and unmarried family members. When someone gives you wrap packets called 利是, 利是, or 利是, 利是, you should always say blessings and thank them. People usually decorate their homes with red banners written with the blessings. 貼揮春. 貼揮春. There are two common foods that people would eat during the New Year. The first one is the New Year gluten rice cake. 年糕. 年糕. And the second one is the turnip or radish cake. 蘿蔔糕. 蘿蔔糕. You will most likely see the lion and dragon dance on the streets and in the shopping malls. Lion dance. 舞獅. 舞獅. Dragon dance. 舞龍. 舞龍. Well done today. Now you know the key Lunar New Year activities and traditions in Cantonese. Click here to check out the other videos to learn all the Lunar New Year greetings that you can say to your family and friends. Wishing you all 新年快樂. See you next time. 下次見.